那个产品里面来讲的话，没有我们在这3年出货给他的。你想想，这不是我们生产的，没有一台是我们出货给他的。我进阿波罗来讲的话，在过去3年的部分，有跟 BAC 这个公司建立长期的贴牌的一些授权，它区域有代理合作的关系，也有合作协议的关系，所以基本上来讲的话，我公司的部分来讲，我有卖它的，就是用那个商标授权给他哦，所以这个产品不是阿波罗的该有的产品，是我授权给他们贴牌的一个产品。
会觉得你是受害者吗？
当然啦，我好好做生意，为什么会卷入这一次恐攻事件呢？
But most probably, the Israelis have intercepted the supply chain, interfered with the pagers, added a certain explosive material to the batteries or to the pager itself, and sent it back to waiting for the right moment to do this. And it seems that this is the right moment to do this.
An attack of this scale, this breadth, would seem to suggest that Israel was either baiting Hezbollah into forcing the issue or into starting it itself. I mean, there is no better way to start a full-blown conflict than to take 10-20% of the entire fighting force of Hezbollah off the battlefield and destroy the command and control and communications infrastructure.
This is a complete crime against the civilians. What we have seen is a kind of progress in the Israeli crime against the Lebanese. It's against the Lebanese people, it's against the civilians. We hold the Israeli enemy responsible for all of the victims, for all of the martyrs, for all of the wounded, and we believe that the reprisal is coming.